Have you ever gone shopping and come across camo printed garments? You thought it was cool but didn't know quite what to wear with it or how to pair it with your existing wardrobe? On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you 4 ways to make camos more stylish. Let's go. What's up YouTube, it's Ihsaan The Stylejumper, your boost to personal style. If you're new to the channel, we release a video once a week where we discuss topics like style, confidence, and etiquette. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we release our next video. Number 1, camos and denim. Before we get into how to make camos more stylish, remember, fit is king. So we want to make sure that if we're wearing camo trousers, that they fit you well as the denim. The unique thing about wearing camos and denim is that you have the comfortability of denim, but also the edge of camos. Here's a few denim items that I recommend: a denim shirt, a denim jacket, and last but not least, and my favorite, a denim blazer. These two combinations together are a knockout punch. Number 2, camos with the Oxford or Polo shirt. The thing I love about pairing camos with the Oxford or Polo shirt is that it adds a level of sophistication in your look. I'm going to contradict myself here, but I think you'll get it in a second. I usually recommend solid color shirts to make it more stylish with your camos because that's going to add a level of sophistication. But in moments where you want to stretch it a little bit, like your boy's doing today, I'm rocking a printed shirt with some camos, and I think you're gonna really appreciate it. Number 3, camos with the blazer. This is a stylish option for you because it's gonna give you some variety in your look. When you're looking to layer, camos with a blazer will be a phenomenal look. There's 3 options I recommend with your shirt option: the polo, a plain white t-shirt, or a button-up Oxford. Number 4, camos with khaki. Camos with khaki is a great option because it's just a great juxtapose between sophistication and sleekness with edginess. Whether you're pairing khaki chinos or a khaki blazer with your camos, those two together are gonna look great. Remember, fit is king, and go for those solids when it comes to your shirt options. When it comes to your shoe selection, there's a couple of options I would suggest. Whether that be a Chelsea boot, a minimalist sneaker in solid color, loafers, or a little roughed up Oxford or wingtip will add to your sophistication, but also give you a little rawness. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't hesitate to share this channel with your stylish friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments below. And remember, when you leave home today, walk out with style, confidence, and etiquette. And fellas, you can always wear camos, even when you're not going to war. We'll see you next time.